Then we enter into your living and dining. L-shaped granite slab right over here. This master bedroom, which is of approximately 10.8 by 12 square feet. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online portal जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottommost price guarantee. Unlike other real estate portals जहाँ पे जब आप करते हैं एक enquiry तो आपको आते हैं multiple calls from multiple brokers. At Housey ऐसा नहीं होता है, हम आपका contact करवाते हैं सीधे developers के साथ. और आज at Housey हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं एक special sample flat video of the project Suman Kunj by Suman Developers. Let's go and check out the sample flat. And here we are in the lobby area. I'm going to tell you a lot more about it, but first of all, you should know that this lobby area in itself is of approximately 4.9 by 4 square feet, excluding your 2.5 BHK, which is of 940 square feet. Come inside and let me show you more. The lobby area, which is of approximately 4 by 5 square feet. And then we enter into your living and dining. The living and dining combined totally is of approximately 10.6 by 17.5 square feet. And of course, it comes with a very big window over here and a balcony which is overlooking the window. Let's go and take a look at the balcony. The balcony is of approximately 4.11 by 17.3 square feet. That is the width of your living and dining combined together. And there is this kitchen which has this half a wall so that there is easy visibility in the kitchen and your dining area. The kitchen is of total 8.2 by 9 square feet and it comes with this L-shaped granite slab right over here and also an enclosed dry utility area. The dry utility area is of approximately 8 by 2.9 additional and comes with a window for ventilation as well. Let's take a look into the rest of the house now. Now, right next to your dining and your living area over here is the common toilet, which is of approximately 7.5 by 4.5 square feet. And because this is a 2.5 BHK, so it is not actually a 2.5 BHK. It is a 3 BHK. The only difference is that two bedrooms do not have an attached toilet and wash. Both of them have been given this common one that you just saw. So this is bedroom number 1, which is of 10.8 by 11.4 square feet. And it comes with this indented area over here, which can be utilized for your wardrobes. A pretty big window with a very good height that opens with sliding doors and has a pre-fitted mosquito net. Also allows imperfect ventilation and good lighting. And here is the bedroom number 2, which is of approximately 10 by 10.4 and has the same indent for the wardrobe and a pretty big window as well. And now we're going to go into the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you a couple of points about Housey. The only place where you can see sample flat videos, 360-degree tours, pros and cons videos, actual location tours, and also project overview videos. Now, all of this gives you a very good detail about the home that you are planning to buy. And then you also need to know the all-inclusive pricing, the EMI details, the down payment details, and everything else. All of this is available right over here at a click of this link, which is mentioned over here in the captions below. So quickly go and do that, register yourself on Housey because it is absolutely brokerage free. And let's proceed towards the master bedroom. Now this aisle area, they have not wasted it. In fact, they have provided a wash basin over here. And then we enter into the master bedroom. Here is the attached toilet and wash. As I told you, only one bedroom comes with an attached toilet and wash. And this master bedroom, which is of approximately 10.8 by 12 square feet, it comes with these two different indents over here, which can be utilized for your dresser or your wardrobe also. And it comes with this big window, which is again a sliding window, and it also has a pre-fitted mosquito net, which allows in good lighting and ventilation. Now, do not forget that you saw this beautiful property on Housey.com and don't forget to register on Housey. Thank you.
So everyone, this was the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Suman Kunj located in Baner, Pune by Suman Developers.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.